continue to move aggressively in the big motorbike (MO) segment in the global market. Honda has officially introduced its newest motorbike in Japan, the Honda CB650F. The CB650F is a naked version of the CBR650F. The fairing has been removed and replaced with a tiny shroud. The effect of the engine and chassis is clearly visible. The impression is completely solid. The features offered by the CB650F are simple. Just look at the indicator panels, which are separated into two. The contents are standard, such as tachometer, speedometer, odometer, tripmeter, clock and fuelmeter. The size is also very small, making it difficult to monitor, especially the bar-style tachometer. For motorbike safety, the contacts embedded in the triangle are equipped with an HISS, Honda Ignition Security System, immobilizer. As for safety when driving, there are ABS brakes. With 320mm dual disc brakes at the front. To support comfort, the conventional rear suspension is equipped with 7-level preload settings. This mono figure supports an aluminum swing arm that looks sturdy. Its muscularity is even more exposed because the CB650F uses a 4-to-1 exhaust configuration, with a silencer that fits under the base of the swing arm. For its powertrain, this motorbike gets increased performance, with a 4-cylinder engine with a capacity of 648 cc combined with a 6-speed transmission. With these specifications, the model is capable of producing up to 88 takas of power at 11,000 revolutions per minute, and a maximum torque of 64 Nm at 8,000 revolutions per minute. The suspension system for these two motorbikes is from Showa, with a stronger chassis, as well as double disc braking of 320mm at the front and 240mm at the rear, with the ABS system as a standard feature for these two Honda motorbikes. Honda CB650F, available in two color choices, namely Victory Red and Sword Silver Metallic. The Honda CB650F is priced at 923,400 yen.